will introduce myself. Hi guys, my name is Putu Dharma Wijaya, number absent 5. Now, I will do tutorial how to make pudding with vanilla. And let's go to start video.
I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes.
First, put the pudding powder into 500 water. Then stir until smooth. Then put it the pan and cook on stove. And don't forget to stir until it is cooked. After cooked, the pudding is put into the mold. After the pudding cooked, make a flour with 200 milliliters water. Stir until smooth. Then after flour ready, combine flour with pudding. Cover with mold and place it refrigerator up to hours. And wow, pudding with vanilla flour ready to be served.
Happy working and good luck!